Good morning. It's Wednesday. Not doing quite as much today. Got something to do later on this evening. Just going for a quick walk towards Cookno along the Nen Valley. I can see ahead of me there some swans with they've got about 5 cygnets with them. They're quite big. I saw them there last night and took a couple of photographs. And they're in the same place that I left them, so it's obviously a good place for them. I'll just show you them now. There we go. Little landing. How many have that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. No, 6. That was right, 7. His stats. Okay, we're not going to hurt you. Beautiful. It's quite unusual to see 7. I saw some further down the river. There was only 4. Gorgeous. So you'll see on the video that's coming out today at 4 o'clock, I've used the schedule option. So I put it up last night. It was taking a bit of time to download. I've started painting the top half of the boat. I was going to do the bottom half today, but I really want to get the fireplace or fire surround sorted out. Make a decision as to what tiles I'm going to put there and what sort of shelf I'm going to put on top. It's a bit of a weird shape, so I've got to consider it carefully. So I'm going to do that. I might go at the weekend, look at some tiles and see what we can get. But it's coming on. It's almost there. I sat there last night and I put the lights on that I put underneath the I forget what it's called now, the little ledge. They look really nice. A couple of candles going, some music, and I was faffing around on my laptop. It's lovely. But just out for a walk with Meg this morning. As I off towards Cookno. Not sure how we're going to go, how far, but such a beautiful day. You had to get out. It's still early. Catch you all soon. There's our lovely heron, enjoying the sun. Doesn't seem quite so close. Oh, I don't know if I got that on camera. A kingfisher just went flying down the river. I have to check the footage again. Wow, look at all these sloes. They're coming out a bit early this year. I heard someone was picking them already to make sloe gin. Some elderberries as well. There's loads. Usually these guillotine locks are meant to be left in the open position, so the guillotines all the way up. But due to the extreme weather conditions we've been having and the lack of water, there's an advisory to leave them down to conserve the water. I think the paddles and the gates at the top should be shut, but I thought the other day at Earls Barton Lock, I saw the one down. I thought, oh, someone's just left it, but there is actually an advisory to leave them down, but usually you would leave them up. There you go, one full lock. The gate's open the other end. There's some discussion as to whether that should be left shut or in the open position. Meg's just gone to explore. I'm not sure it makes a lot of difference because these gates are pretty solid. There's some running water, but there appears to be a lot coming through. Is the heron just following me around? Dinosaurs. On the way back now. We've been a couple of miles out, a couple of miles back. It's a beautiful day. I spotted a buzzard sat on the post there. There he goes. Where's he gone? To the trees probably. Yeah, there he is, I can see him. He's sat up there. Yeah, back at the boat. Ever after. Noisy dog next door. Right, I'm going to unlock, go and have a shower, a bit of breakfast, and see whether that kingfisher was on the footage. I'll put it in slow motion and see whether it's anything there. I'll let you know. That's breakfast on the go, having a shower, really nice. Just some couple of eggs, some bacon and some tomatoes. No toast, I'm cut down on carbs a bit at the moment. Good evening. We're just on our way back from a walk. Been quite busy today. Had to return some stuff to a shop at Rushden Lakes. It's a refund or a credit note as they gave me, so I didn't have the receipt. What else have I been doing? Came back and went through all my clothes again. I went through them obviously before I moved on to the boat, but I went through for a second time today. Got really hot doing it. Moved under the bed, emptying all these boxes and seeing what I've got in there. And I'll probably have to do it again, to be honest. But I've got rid of a load more into a bag for the charity shop, along with a tuxedo that I can't see myself wearing in the very near future, unless there's any calls for a James Bond. So yeah, just had a nice walk. It's going to go back and got a pre-made fish pie tonight and some cabbage. So looking forward to that. And tomorrow I may start the painting on the bottom side of the boat. Depends what the weather's like, because I was going to do it today after all me saying I'm going to leave it, but I can get most of it done. But I'll see what the weather's like and see how I feel. Ta-da! Just put the new cowl that arrived yesterday together, which is going to go obviously on top of the new chimney. It's a 9-inch top apparently, so it should give it good protection from the elements. I'll do that another day. I'm not going to put the new chimney on permanently just yet. I'm going to keep the old one on just for a little while. I want to paint some of the base of the chimney, the collar I think it's called. Yeah, that's really nice. The other one was so rusty it's fallen to pieces, but just tied all these up. Quite simple construction. Yeah, it's good. One of my favourite birds of prey, little kestrel. There's off again. You can see him, he's quite low down, right in front of me, probably about 10 feet in the air. There he is, a bit better view. He's got his back to me. Such skillful flyers, fantastic. Oh, he's gone on something. 2 or 3 over there. Good morning, beautiful day. Had a bit of a thunderstorm last night, woke me up about 1:30. It's beautiful though. Listen to the rain, thunder, lightning. Managed to get a little clip of the lightning through the pram hood, but yeah, it's lovely. Also made a Thai curry last night, and I'm going to show you how I made it now. So it's Sunday, and my typical Sunday roast dinner is going to be a Thai green curry. I made one of these for my daughter the other day. As I say, she's just had a baby recently, so I went over there to cook for her. And this is my Cheats Thai green curry. I always use chicken thighs. When I can get it, I get this paste, green curry paste. Always look out for something like this because it's got everything in it. It's got shrimp paste, lemongrass, ginger, garlic, coriander, all the goodness that you want in a Thai curry. Coconut milk, coconut cream. I always put these in, these little baby corns, mushrooms just to fill it up, ginger, lime, and an extra chilli because I like it a little bit hot, and say coriander there. So I'll show you how I get it together. The way I go about it, as I say, this is my Cheats way without wanting to make the sauce, is trim down all the chicken thighs. You get bits in it like this, bits of bone you don't want. Just cut it into the chunks you like. Go straight into the pan. Don't bother it being hot. So much crap on my worktops, and I was going to tidy them up after my dog walk, but I'm starving. I've not eaten all day, so they just go into there. I'm using 3 thighs. Only a couple of quid. All these bits you don't want. Leave some of the fat on it. It's a nice bit of flavour. Chuck all that in. A bit smaller. And bits can go in the waste bin. Right. Just wash my hands. And what I do, have these on quite a low heat. I put a good dollop and a bit of the paste in there. Just let that start warming up. I don't put any oil in. These are quite good non-stick pans, so I don't worry about the oil. So that's in there like that. I like to get the paste, you know, around the chicken as it warms up and starts to cook. And this stuff lasts ages in the fridge. There's various makes. My daughter bought one the other day, but try and get the ones like that. You can see the fibres in it. It's absolutely delicious. And so it's got the shrimp paste in there, lemongrass, garlic, salt. It's even got some galangal in there, which is the Thai version of ginger. I've got some extra ginger which I'm going to put in. Let's get rid of that board. I'm going to wash that up later. As it's fizzing away, add some ginger. There's about an inch cubed ginger in there. Let's stir in as well. Already smells amazing. Right, at that stage where the chicken's pretty much cooked through, coated in the Thai paste, add some mushrooms in there. They're just like closed cup mushrooms. It's just to bulk it out really. Nothing more in there. I need to get a bigger saucepan. I've only got these two small ones and a steamer, but the steamer isn't particularly good. What I also add in is a stock cube. That's a vegetable one, but you can use a chicken stock cube if you've got one. At this stage, just add a little bit of water. Not too much. Everything all yummy and coming together, loosens the paste up. Lovely consistency there. Add a little bit of fish sauce. You don't want too much, it's quite salty, and there's salt in the paste as well. With the baby corns. More green chilies, just for a little bit more heat. I don't put them in when I'm cooking for Amy, she doesn't like it too hot. So I'll heat down a little bit. I'll just let that cook out for a little while. Using my mag. And add some coconut cream to it. Beautiful. Ooh. And some coconut milk. That's a nice consistency now. Just bring that back up to the temperature. Right down. In this stage too, if I'm not making the thing myself, the paste myself and blitzing it into it, I add some coriander to cook down into the curry. I also add some more afterwards when it's cooked, and also have it in the rice. So I'm just going to let that cook for a bit and come back to you later. That's looking good now, let's give it a little taste. Oh yeah, nice kick to it as well. Beautiful. Well, the curry's had about 20 minutes simmering away. I've just got a bit of oil on the go there. I haven't got a microwave, so I'm just using some microwave basmati rice. As I said previous videos, I tend to cook it like this anyway. I'll just get that cooking and come back to you. It's cooked for about a minute or so. Add coriander into it. Squeeze of lime. What I discovered about living on the Narrowboat is how much I like cooking in this kitchen. Everything's right behind me to hand. There's Meg just knocking the cowl over that I bought for the chimney. Place it out of the way so she wouldn't do that. And with the curry, finish that off with some lime zest. Just puts it in the rice. Bit of lime juice in the curry, not too much. You don't want to put your lime juice in to start either when you're starting cooking the curry, because I think it tends to go a little bit bitter. Just stir that in. And some more fresh coriander. I know people don't like coriander, but I do. Delicious. It's just a case of dishing it up. There we go. There's plenty of chicken in there. What would be nice on this would be some toasted peanuts. I haven't got any. Oh, have I? Make sure there's plenty of sauce in there to go in the rice. There you go. It's my quick and easy Thai green curry. What do you reckon, Meg? Well, it looks like a bomb's hit the place, but I've been busy painting the darker layer on the bottom half of the boat. Got it all masked up and a light sanding. Even painted all of those end panels. That's the piece I'm going to wallpaper. This wallpaper I've got. I want to make done that both sides. Just waiting for that side to dry a bit more before I put the sofa back and tidy all the paper up. I've also, this all was blue. I've just had one coat on it at the moment. I'm also going to get a piece of wood, as I think I mentioned a couple of times, to cut. So I've got a door on this side just to hide all that crap. You don't have to say crap on YouTube? I guess you are. And the entrance as well. But I'm going to have a shower now and I'll finish the entrance bit tomorrow, just let it dry. It's going to start raining again, I think. It's been lovely so far today. I've sat outside and had a couple of cups of tea. But now, looks like it's spitting with rain. So we had a fantastic thunderstorm last night. I think it woke me up about 1:30. I just got up just to check that I'd shut everything. Luckily I had, so we had no leaks or swimming pools in the boat. But yeah, I'm gonna have a quick tidy up, shower, and then I'm popping out to see some friends this afternoon. Bye. Well, that's another episode done. Just been putting the video together actually. I thought I'd do a little end piece. It's been a good day. Got up and did the painting as I had planned. Went to see my friends this afternoon and Cheaton had fish and chips tonight, so nothing too exciting. It was really nice. I did that last time I did some painting. I just couldn't be bothered to cook when I got back, but just going to add this onto the video. Thanks ever so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye.